Hello and welcome. Let's take a look at the method that I'm currently using for dismantling pallets for wood reclamation projects. So let's take a look at the tools. We're going to need a standard crowbar and a tough piece of wood, scrap wood that we can use that'll take a beating. We're also going to need a decent sized block of wood. I like to use the blocks that come from previous pallets, as you can see here. And we'll also be using a standard hammer to get out the nails, and a rubber mallet. So let's get started by placing the pallet on the ground upside down. Use the mallet to tap the crowbar into place. Note the angle that I'm using due to the tight space when you're taking out the first section. Now let's take our scrap piece of wood and place it under the crowbar. This way we won't damage the good wood that we're going to be using later. Gently pry the wood. If you place too much pressure here, you risk cracking or splitting or further damaging the wood underneath. If you can't get one of the blocks completely off, try from the other side, moving back and forth, going with different pressure until the wood releases from the nails. Once all of the bottom rails are off, we're going to move to getting the nails out. Use the block of wood to raise the pallet and then start hammering. This one nail was a total pain. And it's good to show this because not every pallet will be the same. Some are older, some are newer, some come apart nicely, some are really stuck in there. And you will run into problems like this while dismantling pallets. It's also important to try not to hit the wood while you're hammering the nails out. After all the nails are pushed through, we'll flip it over and then we'll use the crowbar to pull them out completely. Now you can take the loose pieces of wood away as well. Now we'll take the rubber mallet and tap the remaining pieces apart. The nails for these pieces are generally shorter, so you don't need the crowbar to pry them apart. A few taps is all it should take. And now you have a nice pile of wood, ready for chairs, tables, or whatever other pallet projects you have in mind. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Catch you next time.